Welcome to Active Inspire, the channel that brings you the perfect blend of health, humor, and motivation. Get ready to kickstart your day with our hilarious and informative series on healthy breakfast ideas. We believe that a nutritious breakfast doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. We're here to inspire you with quick and easy recipes that will nourish your body and tickle your funny bone. Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine? Well, get ready to revamp your mornings with our mouth-watering and laugh-inducing healthy breakfast ideas. We're not just talking about boring old cereal or plain toast here. We're talking about breakfasts that will make you jump out of bed with excitement. Let's start with our first recipe, the energizing banana pancake tower. Picture this, fluffy pancakes stacked high, made with wholesome whole grain flour, topped with slices of ripe bananas, and drizzled with a generous serving of maple syrup. It's a breakfast fit for royalty and a guaranteed way to put a smile on your face. Plus, who can resist a tower of pancakes? But wait, there's more. Next up, we have the savory egg cotto delight. Imagine a perfectly poached egg nestled on top of creamy avocado slices, sprinkled with a dash of sea salt and a sprinkle of black pepper. It's a match made in breakfast heaven, and it will have you saying holy guacamole, this is delicious. Now, let's spice things up with our spicy Mexican breakfast burrito. This fiesta in your mouth combines scrambled eggs, colorful bell peppers, zesty salsa, and a hint of jalapeno for an explosion of flavors. It's like a party in your breakfast bowl, and every bite will have you doing the salsa dance. And there you have it, folks. Our humorous and mouth-watering journey through healthy breakfast ideas. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed creating it. If you want more delicious recipes and laugh out loud moments, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Active Inspire. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll bring you even more tantalizing breakfast ideas that will leave you craving for more. Remember, starting your day with a healthy and hilarious breakfast sets the tone for an amazing day ahead. So keep laughing, stay inspired, and we'll see you next time.